I can understand English but can't speak properly. Have you ever faced this problem? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you. Today, I am going to address this issue in this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raviyaparveen. In this video, I am going to share why people can understand English but can't speak. So, stay tuned till the end to know the solution to this problem. One simple reason is that most people learn English as a subject from primary school to graduation. We have been practicing reading and writing since childhood because it was the part of our curriculum. So you can understand English. Neither we have an environment nor do we practice speaking because it wasn't part of the syllabus. Have you asked yourself when was the last time you practiced speaking? If you haven't practiced speaking, how could we expect to be fluent in English? You struggle to speak in English because of lack of practice. It is simple. Reading learns by reading. Writing skill develops by writing, and speaking skill comes by speaking. To make your learning process super easy, I would like to recommend you start speaking English enough in your day to day activities. Whatever you do, explain it to yourself in English. Start using idiom and phrases and words as much as you can while explaining those activities. Or you can write down your thoughts and ideas in English and read them aloud. These small activities will help you a lot in your fluency journey. I know in the beginning it is hard and you will make mistakes while speaking. It's okay to make mistakes. Even fluent speakers make mistakes. It is the part of the process, but it is not okay to skip speaking practice. Fluency is all about expressing our thoughts and ideas naturally and effortlessly, and it will come by practice. So, do a lot of practice. Number two, don't focus too much on learning grammar. In the beginning, I also thought that if I can command grammar and vocabulary, then I will be able to speak fluently, but it doesn't work that way. Don't get me wrong, we should learn grammar, but initially you just need to focus on speaking practice. We will learn grammar and vocabulary even naturally in the process of speaking. Initially become a copycat just like child does. You will see your English fluency is improving rapidly when doing so. Whenever you listen to podcasts or watch English shows, try to imitate the dialogues, watch English interviews or listen to podcasts as much as you can. Number 3, make English your second nature. I see many people try to speak English by translating. There is nothing wrong with that. However, translating makes it difficult for you to speak fluent English. Translating takes time. It is essential that you think in English and then speak. What you can do to make English your second nature. Listen to English content. You can listen to audiobooks, podcasts, and watch English movies, whatever you like. then use your learning wherever you can. If you can do this, eventually English will become your second nature. After that, you will not have to be conscious to speak fluent English. You can speak English just like your native language. Reaching this point may take some time and efforts, but it will be worth it. You can unlock many opportunities in your life by improving your English fluency. You can speak English properly if you listen to English content, do practice speaking. Number two, don't focus too much on learning grammar. Number three, make English your second nature. That's all from my side. Enjoy learning and don't forget to like, share, subscribe.